The single contact link in the menu will simply create a link to show the details of a single contact on your website. So you need to give the menu item a title. You can leave the alias blank or put it in yourself. Make yourself a note. Here's the link that's going to start to be generated. That will change once this thing's saved. Set the status. Set your access. The menu location. Is it a child item? Does it have any parent items? Again, the ordering will become available after you save it. You can move it around inside the menu. Choose your target window. Do you want this to open up in a new window or not? I'm going to ignore the default page for now. Go ahead and read the tooltip. There's the language and the template styles. Then we need to select the contact that we want to go to. When they click on this link, they're going to see an individual's user details for this contact. So here's our contact display options. We have a lot of stuff going on here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Again, use the tooltips on this page. But this just says, we want to show the street address for this person, city, state, zip code, all kinds of stuff you can choose to show. And then you can actually say an additional link for the contact. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, what have you, Pinterest. Then there's mail options. You can show the contact form on that individual person's page. You're going to send a copy to submitter. There's banned emails. So your email address is not allowed to submit the contact form. Banned subject lines, subjects that are not allowed in the contact form. And then you have banned text, where you've got text that's not allowed in the contact form body. You've got a session check. This is a check for the existence of session cookies. This means that users without cookies enabled will not be able to send the emails. And you've got a custom reply. You can choose to change that or not. If you say yes, custom reply, and turns off the automated reply, allowing for plugins to handle integration with other systems. So if you're running some sort of potentially a custom newsletter plugin or something like this, and that's where that would come into play. Then you've got a contact redirect. This is entering an alternative URL where the user will be redirected after they submit the email. Link type options. Back to the link title attribution. Go ahead and put that. That's for in the menu. The title of the link. You've got individual link styling, link images. You can add a menu title. Then now you've got your page display options, where you've got, again, it's going to be a dynamically generated page. It's going to show the details of that single contact, that single individual. So we want to make sure that we have a custom title tag on that page. In addition, you can choose again to show or not the page heading, and if you do, it's going to be the H1 tag. So you want to put a keyword here, perhaps the individual's name as the heading on that page, so it's very clear as to what people are looking at. In addition, there's also individual page class styling. You can add elements to the page with CSS, and if you do so, you can make that edit in templates.css and then come reference that here. We've got metadata options. Every page on your website should have a custom meta description. It's time consuming, but it's completely best practices, and it will help your search engine rankings by following best practices of SEO. Meta keywords, you would include those on the page as well. These are getting the practice of using them within Joomla, simply because Joomla uses them for other functions aside from Google presenting them to search spiders. And then we have our robot setting and our secure settings. Again, we may not see these fusion menu and split menu options or the module assignment, so we're going to ignore those for now. On the top right, you've got save, save and close, save and new, and cancel, and those work like they work throughout the entire Joomla content management system. So, thanks.